from AK Batra, and he asks, how often should a mutual fund portfolio be reviewed for rejigging or for rationalization?
So I'd say for your rebalancing needs, you can perhaps take a look at your portfolio at least once a year, or whenever the asset allocation deviates from your original asset allocation by more than 5%. That's when you can do the rejigging or rationalization to restore your original asset allocation which you had started with. Now, for your more broader ongoing tracking and monitoring, I'd say it's not a bad idea to take stock of your funds at least once a year and look at how things are progressing. But it's essential to note that any decision to exit a fund for performance reasons should still not be based only on the last 1 year's performance record. You should still be guided by the more long-term performance record of your funds, or else you'll simply end up playing musical chairs with your funds. Now, having said that, when it comes to debt funds, I'll say there are a few parameters where it would be worthwhile to keep an eye more often. So let's say these are the parameters which you should check every 2-3 months to make sure that things are on track. For instance, if you see that the AUM of the fund are falling rapidly and there is a corresponding rise in the level of borrowings in the fund, or the exposure or the allocation to a particular issuer is rising at a rapid pace, those could be signs of some troubles brewing up. Because if the AUM of the fund is falling and you see the borrowings rising, that could signal that the fund is not able to liquidate its portfolio to the magnitude to be able to meet the redemption requests, and that's why it has to resort to borrowings, and which in times to come can go out of control. Likewise, if you see a fall in AUM which is accompanied by a rapid rise in the exposure to a particular issuer, again that could mean that perhaps those bonds are stuck and the fund is not able to liquidate them, even as it liquidates other portions of the portfolio to honor the redemption requests. And as the proportion of these set of issuers rise in the portfolio, and eventually if their bonds do need to be downgraded, then it can inflict a high degree of loss or a value erosion on the remaining investors. In fact, some of these instances have happened in the recent past. So that's why on these parameters, it's desirable that you keep an eye on your debt funds more often. Also, it is preferable that you keep an eye on the overall credit profile, the breakup of the portfolio of your bond fund in terms of different credit rating buckets, to see that the fund is not taking an undue risk or has not started to increase exposures to lower rated bonds, thus making it riskier than what you had initially signed up for. And if you see those trends, then it might be a time to look for other alternatives. And a lot of this information you can get on the fund pages on Value Research website.